side again. We have put up some boxing for the belting of this building, so we're gonna cast it out right now. See it there? It's a premix. Look why it's up. So jump on the ground, give you a pound, you know? Yeah man guys, so we don't have enough boards, so what we did is to cast the belt in and then we pull down the boards. Yes, it's more work, but there's no thing guys. You don't have a lot of boards to do what you want to do. Just have to do it like that. So what we're going to do is use lart 1x3 around the edge and set up the decking bed and the slab. So as you can see, we're going to cast out these pieces that we just put up. As you can see, we leave out the reinforcement bar, the steels, to push the other steels through when we set up the decking bed. Yes guys, so we actually use a 1x3 to catch the height from the top of where the board is. Let me show you this side guys. Yeah man, this is it. So that's a 1x3 over here guys. 1x3 lot right here to rise up the cage off the formwork. So the other steel that is going to come across the decking is going to go underneath this, and then we're going to tie them right on this. And then when you put on the over support will fall on top of this. Yes guys, so that when the steel work time comes you will see it. So we're going to cast this and pull it down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah. It's a correction. I back a wall with a big kit. It won't just like. Yeah guys, so we're going to cast it and pull it down. That's the other area. I'm going to move to something else. Section. And so you can see over that side. Yeah, so it already guys. We leave out some areas over there to continue some sections. So it is the progress right now. That part over there is gonna deck flat, so we're not going to touch it as yet. I'll leave that part for a little while until we finish that out this year. Come on, so we're on it, my people. With a premix down there, so catch you guys in the action, you understand? What the hell is what I do in this morning? Pick up yourself, Banga. Come on. I don't want you to. Send up in a front up here. I go over buy a peanut and blend up here. Right, I don't love all this at now, man. It's a want something funny, brother. Be a white, me I see. Want to look something funny, man. I'm not ready yet. Be a mal, man.
Hey, what funny?
Want to look more cement. That's what I think about it. Wow, put them here. This is a concrete vibrator, you understand? I do the ear pockets and more tight. And settle the concrete. Come on. That's one way how to do a job, guys. When you don't have a concrete vibrator, you work with the steel. Understand? All bubbles out. hear that, brother, right? The leak, you know. Concrete are pretty though. Now, put the shoulder, guys. Shoulder. So we do it, my peeps. Yeah, man, that's how we pull down box, you know? Formwork. See this big bar right here, so peeps? It don't play. You don't? Man, it we use pull down formwork quick and fast. Better than the crowbar. That is it.